How can I serialize a query set from an unrelated model as a nested serializer? I'm trying to add a nested serializer to an existing serializer based on some criteria of the parent model, not a foreign key. The use case is to return a research object with an array of research template objects that are identified by filtering on a postgres array field. Models. Serializers. I've been able to nest serializers when there is a foreign key mapping them, however I am unable to do so with a custom query set. Perhaps I'm not thinking about this properly, and I require some form of relationship field on the research model. How can I nest a serialized list of all rows that are returned from a filter with values specified from the parent model?
You can use drf serializer method field. Define your research template serializer as a normal model serializer, not as a related field. Then replace your research serializer with this.
If you want to support chart, click on necessary.